Now see, this is exercise 4.1 and question number 9. Okay, I have left with the question number 7 because that's an easy one. So now I am taking this question number 9. In this case, he said that sum of these terms is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. Once again, we have to use an induction. As you know, there are the 3 steps. Step number 1, put n is equal to 1. Okay, so when n is equal to 1, it gives the answer is equal to 1 by 2, either here, from here, anywhere you can take. It's a 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 1, and you know 1 minus half, that is equal to 1 by 2. So in the left hand side, 1 by 2 is equal. So you can say the result is true for n is equal to 1. Okay, so this proves that your result is a true. Similarly, now we have to assume step number 2. We have to assume, so assume that result is true, for n is equal to k. Okay, so that we have assumed that result is true. Okay, up to here. So that means that is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 and so on. So 1 upon 2 raised to power k is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power k. Okay, we assumed this concept. Okay, let it be number 1 because we have to use in the step number 3rd. Now, step number 3rd. Okay, in this case, we have to show. Now, we shall prove. Okay, now we shall prove that result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Now what was the result? That means the result is, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus so and so 1 upon 2 to the power k plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power k plus 1. So this result we have to prove. And I am taking the left hand side. So taking left hand side, that means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on. So this is the last term. I am taking a second last. Second last term is a 1 upon 2k plus 1 upon 2 to the power k plus 1 is equal to. Up to here, you know the sum of these terms is equal to this one. So I am going to use this one. That is equal to your, it's a 1 minus. Okay, you can write here because that creates a problem for you. So I am going to use here. It's a 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power k and plus last term, that is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power k plus 1. Then, so we use this step number 1, okay, step number 2, this first part, okay, which is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power k plus, here you can write this term like this, 2 to the power k into 2, this 1 minus, and I am taking 2 to the power k as a common from here, so it's a 1 minus 2 to the power k is a common after this. From here naturally 1 is a left and plus minus 1 upon 2, this, which is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power k into 1 minus half, that is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 minus, now you know when the bases are same you can add the powers. So 1 upon 2 to the power k plus 1, and that will be your right hand side. See, both are the same. This is result and this, both are same. So which is got your right hand side. So by the induction you can prove that your this question is a correct one or this result is a correct. See, this is that question number 13 from the exercise 4.1. In this case he said that 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 by 4 into 1 plus 7 by 9 in and so on 1 plus 2n plus 1 upon n square is equal to n plus 1 ka whole square. So once again we have to prove this result with the help of the induction. Okay, I am taking a step number 1. As you know, put n is equal to 1. So you can put n is equal to 1 here, or otherwise you can take the first term. That means it's a 1 plus 3 upon 1, that is equal to 3. In the right hand side, n plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 ka whole square. And basically 3 plus 1, that's a 4, and this is again a 4. So you can say your result is true. Okay, so result is true for n is equal to 1. So this was your step number 1. Now step number 2. Step number 2. Let us assume that result is true for n is equal to k. We assume that result is true for n is equal to k. That means what was the result? The result is 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 upon 4 into 1 plus 7 by 9 and so on. 1 plus 2k plus 1 upon k ka square is equal to k plus 1 whole square. This. So we assumed this result is true. Now step number 3. Step number 3. Now we have to prove that result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. I have repeated this language so many times, so that's why I left here. Okay, and n is equal to k plus 1. That means in this case 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 upon 4. You can left this term. So it is equal to 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 1 ka whole square is equal to, on the other side it is equal to k plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to k plus 2 ka whole square. So this result we have to prove. Okay, I am taking left hand side once again. So taking left hand side, that means 1 plus 3 upon 1 into 1 plus 5 upon 4, this, and so on. So, and the second last term is equal to this one, that is equal to your 1 plus, I told you so many times, if we have no idea for the second last term, you can take from the step number 2nd. Okay, so 2k plus 1 upon k ka square, and the last term is equal to 1 plus, this is a 2k plus 3, so you can say it's a 2k plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1, that's a 3 upon k plus 1 ka whole square. Otherwise you can open the bracket. Then up to here, you know, the sum of product of these terms is equal to, that is equal to k plus 1 ka square. So I am going to use this one. So it's a k plus 1 ka whole square into, it is equal to your I am going to solve this one. It is equal to your k square, taking this one as a LCM, and open the bracket, a plus b ka whole square. So k square plus of 2k plus of 1 plus of 2k plus 3 upon k plus 1 ka whole square, like this. After this, let us solve this one. Okay, so which is equal to your k plus 1 ka square, this as it is, this is a gone. So rest of the part is, this is a k square, this 2k plus 2k, that is equal to your plus 4k, 3 plus 1, that is equal to your 4, whole upon k plus 1 ka whole square. This. So this is a gone, and it is nothing, that is equal to k plus 2 ka whole square. So k plus 2 ka whole square. And see, this is, we have to find. So that is equal to your right hand side. So once again, we have seen this, if the terms are under product, once again you can solve this question with the help of the induction. That's all.